Hello friends, welcome back to Relief Tutorials. We will discuss third topic of our chapter, angle sum property of a triangle. Now first of all, what is a triangle? So a closed figure which is formed by three intersecting lines. See this way, a closed figure which is formed by three intersecting lines is called a triangle. So we can name here A, B, C. So this triangle has three sides. AB, BC and AC. So it has three sides, it has three angles. See, it has three angles. Three angles, angle A, angle B and angle C. And it has three vertices, that is A, B and C. This is A, it is a vertex. Singular is vertex, plural is vertices. So triangle is a closed figure which is formed by three intersecting lines. So it has three sides, three angles and three vertices, and we denote the triangle by a symbol, this triangle. This is the symbol we use for triangle. Now interior angles of a triangle. So here ABC, this angle ABC, they are called interior angles of a triangle. Now we'll discuss exterior angle of a triangle. So exterior angle of a triangle, see if I draw a triangle, this ABC, this ABC, this is a triangle ABC. Okay. Now if the side BC of this triangle is produced to D, suppose here D. So side BC is produced to D, then ACD, then this ACD, this is called an exterior angle of triangle ABC at point C. Okay, now you see this triangle ABC and this is angle ACD, exterior angle. This angle ACD forms a linear pair with angle C. Clear? See, this is angle C. It forms a linear pair with angle C. So ACD forms linear pair with angle C. So the remaining two angles of a triangle are called its interior opposite angle. Now see here, ACD is exterior angle, this is exterior angle. Exterior angle, it forms linear pair with here C. So remaining two angles, that is angle A and angle B. These two angles are its interior opposite angles. So these are interior opposite angles. Clear? Now one more thing we are going to discuss. See, now question arises, how many exterior angles a triangle has? Now if I draw one triangle here, this is A, B, C and this is D. So this is exterior angle at C. Similarly, if I produce this, so this is also exterior angle. Both of these are exterior angle at vertex C. See, both of these forms linear pair with angle C. See this, angle C. So A and a B, both are its interior opposite angle. If I say here E. So BCE is also an exterior angle at C and ACD is also an exterior angle at C. Okay, so they are forming linear pair with angle C. So A and a B, remaining two, are its interior opposite angle. So we can say ACD is exterior angle and A and a B are its interior opposite angle. BCE is also exterior angle and A and B are its interior opposite angle. So at each vertex you can draw two exterior angles. So how many vertex are here? Total 3. So at C there are two angles. At A also we can form two angles. See, we will extend this. So this is exterior angle. We will extend this. So this is also exterior angle. So here also you can form two angles. Here also I can form two angles. So altogether triangle has 6 exterior angles. Has 6 exterior angle. Clear? If I say here this is F. So FAC. This is exterior angle. It forms linear pair with angle A. So B and C are its interior opposite angles. So this is about exterior angles. Now we are going to learn one theory. See, theorem. The sum of three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Means sum of all the three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So now you see in triangle ABC, let angle A we have taken 1, B we have taken 2, C we have taken 3. You have to prove that sum of all the three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. That is, angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equals to 180 degree. Now for this we have to do one construction. We will draw a line PQ passing through A and it is parallel to BC. So this is the construction you have to do. Okay, now see here, we will prove this. Now here PQ is parallel to BC, I can say line PQ is parallel to BC, and so PQ parallel to BC and AB is the transversal, and AB is transversal. Have you seen, friends, what I have done? First PQ is parallel to BC and AB is the transversal. So I can say angle 2 is equals to angle 4. So therefore angle 2 is equals to angle 4. Reason what you will write? You will write alternate interior angles. This I will take as 1. Okay, now once again. Now I will take PQ is parallel to BC and AC is the transversal. So I can write here PQ is parallel to BC and AC is transversal. See, first I have taken PQ parallel to BC and one side AB is a transversal. Now PQ is parallel to BC and AC is a transversal. So I can say angle 3 is equals to angle 5. Same thing you can say alternate interior angles. This I can take as 2. One thing you have to keep here in your mind. See, I have taken here, first I have taken angle 2 and then here also I have written first angle 3. Say angle 2 and angle 3. So you have to first write angles of a triangle, that is interior angles of a triangle. You can write in this manner also. Now 4 is equals to 2, but I have written 2 is equals to 4 and here 3 is equals to 5. So first you have to take angles of a triangle. Now we will add 1 and 2. Clear? So adding 1 and 2. So here in LHS we will get 2 plus angle 3 is equals to angle 4 plus angle 5. Have you got it? So I have written this first so that you will get both at one side. Now we will add angle 1 on both the side. Adding angle 1 on both sides. Second phase. Adding angle 1 on both the sides. What you will get? Angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equals to angle 4 plus angle 1 plus angle 5. So I have added 1 on both the sides. Now angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equals to 4 plus 1 plus 5. So you see 4 plus 1 plus 5. So sum of all these three angles will be 180. Why? Because they are the angle on a straight line. Linear pair axiom I can say. That is sum of the angles formed on the same side of a line at a given point on the line. So therefore I can write here now angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equals to 180 degree. Why? Reason 1, 4, 1 and a 5, that is sum of all angles on a line. Hence proved. Very simple, nothing you have done. One construction, draw a line PQ parallel to BC and passing through A. Then you have said that 2 is equals to 4. PQ parallel to BC, AB is transversal, so 2 equal to 4, alternate interior angle. Same thing now. PQ parallel to BC and AC is the transversal, so 3 is equals to 5. Here you have to write here 2 and 3, that is the angle of a triangle on LHS. Now adding 1 and 2. Then you have to add angle 1 on both the sides. So you will get 1 plus 2 plus 3 and here 4 plus 1 plus 5. So 4 plus 1 plus 5. That is the angles on the same line on the same side at a point. So their total is 180 degree, hence proved. So quite simple theorem we have. Now theorem 6.8. Theorem 6.8, what it says, if a side of a triangle is produced, see BC is the side and it is produced, then the exterior angle so formed, this is exterior angle ACD, then the exterior angle so formed is equals to sum of its two interior opposite angle. So in short, we have to prove that exterior angle ACD is equals to angle A plus angle B. See, this ACD is an exterior angle and it forms linear pair with angle C. So except this angle C, the other two remaining angles are its interior opposite angles. So we have to prove that ACD is equals to angle A plus angle B. I hope you understood this. Now we are going to prove this. So now proof. So I can say in triangle ABC, sum of three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So I can write angle A plus angle B plus, I can't write C. Why? Because this is also C and this is also C. So I have to write ACB. And angle ACB is equals to 180 degree. Okay, this is 1. You can write angle sum property. Angle sum property of triangle. This is the reason. Okay. Now, BCD is a straight line. So I can say ACB plus ACD is equals to 180. Linear pair axiom. So BCD is a line. So therefore angle ACB plus angle ACD is equals to 180. These are what you write, linear pair axiom. This is 2. So this is also 180, this is also 180. So equating 1 and 2. Equating 1 and 2. You both equate. So I can write angle A plus angle B plus angle ACB is equals to here angle ACB plus angle ACD. Any doubt? What I have done, see friends. First I have used angle sum property of a triangle. Sum of three angles of a triangle is equals to 180 degree. Then I have used linear pair axiom. So if you want the moral of the story, we can say what fundamental you have to use here. The first one, angle sum property. Angle sum property of triangles. Angle sum property of triangle. Second, linear pair axiom. That's all. On the basis of these two property, you can prove the theorem. Now equating 1 and 2. Now ACB will get cancelled. So therefore angle A plus angle B is equals to angle ACD. Hence proved. Very simple. First you are using angle sum property of a triangle. Sum of three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Then you are using linear pair axiom here. Okay, then equating 1 and 2, you will get the result. Quite simple theorem. I hope you understood this. So with this we have completed the theory of your chapter. Now we are going to start our exercise. Clear? See, exercise 6.3, question number 1. What is given in figure? See this in figure, this RQ is produced to T and here QP is produced to S. So two exterior angles are formed here. That is given SPR is equals to 135 and PQT is equals to 110. Then you have to find angle PRQ, that is PRQ. This angle we have to find. See, many ways we can do this problem. Now you see here, these two forms a linear pair. So we'll get this angle P. These two forms a linear pair. So we'll get this angle Q. You have two angles of a triangle. So we can find third angle by angle sum property of a triangle. Clear? That will be easy. So now we are going to do this. See. So first we'll write linear pair concept. So here, proof, solution. So we can say angle SPR plus angle RPQ, SPR and RPQ, these two angles, see, these two angles. An angle RPQ is equals to 180 degree reason, linear, pair, axiom. So SPR it is given, it is 135 degree plus angle RPQ is equals to 180 degree. So therefore angle RPQ is equals to 180 minus 135. So that will be equal to 45. Okay. Now same thing here. Here we can say angle PQT plus angle PQR is equals to 180 degree. Reason same, linear, pair, axiom. Clear? Now we have PQT 110. So 110 plus PQR is equals to 180. So therefore angle PQR is equals to 180 minus 110. So that will be equal to 70. So now we got two angles. See this one and this one. This we have 45, this we have 70. So we can find third angle of a triangle. Clear? By angle sum property. Clear? So now I can write here. In triangle PQR, I can say angle RPQ plus angle PQR plus angle PRQ is equals to 180 degree. Reason you know, angle sum property. If you want to write here angle sum property of triangle, symbol of triangle. Now you have the values RPQ 45 degree, this is 70 degree, plus you have to find PRQ, that is equals to 180 degree. Now you know you total 5, 7 plus 4, 115, plus angle PRQ equal to 180 degree. Now angle PRQ is equals to 180 minus 115, so that will be 65 degree. So nothing we have done. See here, moral of the story, these two are linear pair, the total is 180, so this angle will be 180 minus 135, that is 45. These two angles are linear pair, the total is 180, this is 110, so you will get 70. You have two angles of a triangle, so you can find third angle by angle sum property of a triangle. Okay, I hope you understood this. This is question number 1. Now see. Question number 2. This is the figure given. In figure, this x is 62, and angle XYZ, this is 54. This YO and ZO, these two are bisector of angle XYZ and angle XZY. Then you have to find OZY. This angle you have to find out, OZY. And you have to find YOZ. These angles also you have to find. See, look at the data. What is given here? Two angles of a triangle is given. We can find third angle of a triangle. Then this is the bisector. You might be knowing what do you mean by angle bisector. See, if this YO is the bisector of X, Y and Z, this is 54. So it is bisector, means it will divide into two equal half. These two angles will be equal. So this will be 54 by 2 and this also will be 54 by 2. Clear? So now see, first we will find third angle of a triangle. Clear? So I can write in triangle XYZ. So in triangle XYZ, sum of three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So you can write here angle XYZ plus angle YZX plus angle YZX. Now angle YXZ or angle X we can write. Clear? This angle X. Angle YXZ is equals to 180 degree. This XYZ is 54. YZX we have to find out. This is angle x. Y, x, z is equal to 62 is equals to 180. Clear? Now we'll add these two angles. 4 into 2, 6, 116 plus angle yzx equal to 180. So angle yzx is equals to 180 minus 116. So therefore angle yzx is equals to 64. So this we got yzx, third angle of a triangle. Now we have all three angles of a triangle. Now we will concentrate here in the small triangles. Why? Because we have to find two angles of this triangle. So if we have any two, we can find it. See now. Now it is given YO and ZO. YO and ZO are bisector of angle XYZ and angle YZX respectively. So this is the bisector, means it will divide the angle into two equal half. So now see here, we will get this angle as well as this angle. So total is 54. This total is 54. So this will be 54 by 2, that is 27. This will be 27. This also will be 27. But we are concerned with this angle. Why? Because we want to reach here in this triangle. So if we get this angle, we can find this remaining angle. Clear? So we will find this. That is OYZ. So angle OYZ is equals to, it is bisector, so half of angle XYZ, that is equals to half of angle XYZ. Angle XYZ is 54. Half of 54, so that is equals to 27. Similarly, we will find this angle, that is OZY. Angle OZY is equals to half of angle YZX. YZX. See, we have find out YZX. That is equals to half of 64. So that will be 32. Clear? So OZY we find out, OZY is equals to 32. So this OZY we have find out. Now we have to find YOZ. This YOZ. So for that, in triangle OYZ, I can write here in triangle OYZ. We have two angles, we can find third angles. Angle OYZ plus angle OZY plus angle YOZ is equals to 180. OYZ we have. OYZ is 27. So this is 27. OZY is 32 plus angle YOZ is equals to 180. 7 to 9, 3 to 59 plus angle YOZ is equals to 180. So YOZ, angle YOZ is equals to 180 minus 59. So therefore angle YOZ is equals to 121. So what is the moral of the story? We have big triangle XYZ, we have two angles, we will find third angles by angle sum property. Clear? And these are the bisectors. So 54 means this will be 27. And this is 64 means this will be 32. We got two angles, so third angle can once again be found by angle sum property. So first we have applied angle sum property in triangle XYZ, then we have applied angle sum property in small triangle OYZ. Clear? So I hope you understood this problem. Now exercise 6.3, question number 3. See what is in this figure. AB is parallel to D. Both these are parallel. Okay. And BAC is 35. BAC is 35 and CDE is 53. You have to find DCE. This angle you have to 55. Now these two lines are parallel. AB is parallel to DC. D is given and AE is the transversal. So I can write here, see, AB is parallel to D and AE is transversal. So AB parallel to D and AE is transversal. So this angle and this angle will be alternate angle. So therefore angle BAC is equals to angle DEC. Why? Alternate interior angle. But BAC is 35. So we will get DEC. BAC is 35. So 35 is equals to angle DEC. So in this way we can find DEC. Now concentrate here in this triangle. You have two angles. So you can find third angles. So now you can use angle sum property. So in triangles DCE angle. This we have CDE. It is given that CDE. So angle CDE plus angle DEC plus angle DCE is equals to 180. Reason angle sum property of triangle. See, very simple. We was having only one angle, so we can find this second angle. Why? Because this angle is given data. So you attach to that data. So this angle is equals to this angles, alternate angles. So you got two angles, then you can find third angles by angle sum property. Now CDE, it is given, CDE is 53. Okay, 53 it is given, 53 plus DEC that we have find out 35 plus angle DCE is equals to 180. Now angle DCE 53 plus 35, 5 plus 3 8, 5 plus 3 8 is equals to 180. Now angle DCE is equals to 180 minus 88. So therefore angle DCE you can easily find out is equals to 92. Have you got it? Quite simple. So we have done this exercise 6.3 question number 3. Now we will discuss question number 4. See, here it is given that line PQ, this line PQ and line RS, they both intersect at point T such that PRT is 40. See this, PRT is 40 and RPT is 95, then TSQ is 75 and you have to find SQT. So come here. This triangle, this thing is unknown that we have to find out. So here you have only one angle. So if we get anyhow this second angle, then you have two angles. So you can find third angle of a triangle by angle sum property. So you require this angle. So this angle is equals to this angle. See here, vertically opposite angle. So you have to find out first this angle. So here already in this triangle you have two angles. So you can find third angle. So first in triangle PRT, I will use angle sum property. In triangle PRT, what you can say now? Angle PRT plus RPT plus angle PTR is equals to 180 degree. Reason I told you, angle sum property of triangle. Now PRT, already you have PRT 40 degree, RPT you have 95 degree plus angle PTR is equals to 180 degree. Now 5, 9 plus 4, 13, 135 plus angle PTR equal to 180. So angle PTR is equals to 180 minus 135. So angle PTR is equals to 45. Clear? So we got this PTR. This 45. So this 45. So this also 45. So now we can say angle PTR is equals to angle STQ. Reason, vertically opposite angle. But PTR is 45, so that is equals to angle STQ. So we got STQ. Now in this triangle we have two angles, so we can find remaining third angle. So now in triangle TSQ, in this triangle TSQ, one angle is given. Angle TSQ plus, see, this is given. Angle TSQ plus angle STQ. Angle STQ plus angle SQT equal to 180 degree. Why? Angle sum property. This theorem, this property we have used. Now TSQ. So TSQ is 75. STQ we have find out, that is 45, plus angle SQT is equals to 180 degree. So now sum of this 5, 5, 10, carry 1, 8, 12, 120 degree plus angle SQT is equals to 180 degree. So therefore angle SQT is equals to 180 minus 120, that is 60. So you have find out angle SQT 60. So moral of the story is you have two angles, so you can find third angle by angle sum property. Then this angle is equals to this angle, vertically opposite angle. So now in this triangle SQT you have two angles, so you can find third angle by angle sum property. That's all. So today we are going to complete here. Remaining problems we'll do in your next lecture. So I request all of you to go through each and every problem along with the theory in a proper way. Maintain your classwork and try to write each rider without say once in your rough book. Thank you very much.